Welcome everyone, welcome back to another video with KK's Kitchen. So today I want to do an unboxing. I bought this stuff for a very long time from Black Friday sale. I bought this stuff and I haven't got a chance to unbox them. So today I said I will do the unboxing, and these are all from Amazon. So let's see what I buy. Even me myself forget totally what I bought. Okay, so let's check. Ooh, guys, look what I bought. So this is the first piece. This is a 13-piece kitchen knife set. 13-piece kitchen knife set. So this is the first thing that I bought. And you know I'm into foods, so your girl need her kitchen stuff. I need some good knife. So I'm going to test these and see if they're working well for me, and I will let you know when I start using them how they work. So if you need to get one, you get one. So this is the first thing down. And secondly, this is my large and thick, extra large and thick cutting boards. So this is a 3-piece 1, 2, 3 cutting board. So this is all for the kitchen knife cutting board. So this box is empty. Let's see what is in the next box. And this box feels very light. I wonder what is in this box. What is this? What is this? And this, let's see what is in this. Just come. Okay, so this is my intelligent selfie stick. So I don't know, it just come in the box and in the bag and no box. I don't know what Amazon is dealing with, but this is my selfie stick, face tracker selfie stick, and it comes with 2 ring lights. So 2 ring lights, and it have a remote on it, and this is the manual. This is what all that I got. I don't know why it is not in a box to show you the box, but this is my selfie stick. So these are my purchase from Amazon. So guys, thank you for sticking around to show you. Let's show you again my 13-piece knife set, my 3-piece kitchen meat cutting board, and this is my face tracker selfie stick, and it comes with 2 ring lights. Okay guys, so this is it, and it comes in a bag. So these are all that I have. I will show you another unboxing soon because I have stuff from Timu that I would like to unbox as well, guys. So thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next video.